What if I told you that every single day kids go to school, they become less intelligent? The fact is, there is so much more than just one type of intelligence. And while school can make you more academically intelligent, it can teach you physics, algebra, calculus. It is diminishing the children's creative intelligence. It is teaching them to think a certain way, to go down a certain path in life. It is telling them, go to high school, get a diploma. Go to a good college, find a stable job. And if you don't do that, you won't be successful. How did I, a straight C student, start a technology company at the age of 16? It must be something that can't be measured by academic intelligence alone. I still think I'm the only Asian kid in the world that doesn't understand math. And if there's one message I want you to take away from everything I've said, it's this. No one has ever changed the world by doing what the world has told them to do.